Hey, Storm Chasin, we're the Bruce Company from Middleton, Wisconsin. Family run and serving our community for over 70 years. Ice, sleet, snow, if it's cold, we're hot on its tail. Snowmen, we eat them for breakfast.
Every winter, our team of 300 snow warriors move 15 million square feet of snow with 175 pieces of equipment.
Our fleet, locked, loaded, and winter-proof. Are we ready?
Ready!
Storm cleanup isn't for the faint of heart. It's for the bold, the gritty, and the slightly coffee-obsessed. We thrive through chaos because we've got the right team, the right gear, and the right mindset. Ready? Ready! We don't get the snow pulled over our eyes. Our radar watchers?
All eyes on the skies, using top tech like True Weather software and Samsara fleet tracking to keep ahead of Mother Nature.
No snowflake goes unturned. Ready?
Ready!
We run on grit, heart, and gallons of brine, literally. We're big believers in sustainability, cutting salt use with brine, proud partners with Saltwise, recipients of the MMSD grant program, and always pushing forward on responsible snow management. Our passion for improving the snow removal industry has plowed the way for local legislative changes.
For these advocates behind me haven't stopped talking about the use of salt for cleanup in those storms.
Brine tank, we're ready. And if you're wondering if we're ready for season 2 of Storm Chasin', we're ready! Hey! What we loved from season 1, let's just say we were so inspired by the Cart Wrangler, we now train our crews all summer to be that ready.
And we don't just do snow. We do landscape design, construction, and commercial maintenance. We run a garden center, a distribution yard, and a 325-acre nursery.
Landscaping the moon, challenge accepted. We're ready, Storm Chasin'. Are you ready?
How ready are we?
Snow fighters, we are this ready.
Ice, sneak, sneak.
Okay, you are on. No, you're
For the
not.
bold.
Yes, you are.
Am I on or not?
You are. That's gonna work.